Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03t and now you want to hide your apps, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy and security. Select it. Then further scroll down and you will get the privacy and app encryption. Select it. And here, just verify yourself. Then select app hiding. And here you can easily hide your apps. You just have to enable the app hidden setting for app that you want. As I have enabled this one, so just go back and here you will get the gesture which is view hidden apps. You have to first enable this one and then read this. What is you just have to swipe up with two fingers on the home screen to view hidden apps. Let's see how. Go to home screen, swipe up with your two fingers, and then you will get this type interface. Just verify yourself with password or fingerprint and you will get your all hidden apps here. So that's how you can easily hide your apps on Vivo Y03. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.